Hello there, dearies. Today we're going to make a classic fluffy cake that will bring warmth and joy to any gathering. Let's start by laying out all of our ingredients. First, measure out 2½ cups of all-purpose flour. Be sure to level it off with a knife to get just the right amount. Now, we need 1½ cups of granulated sugar. Watch how it sparkles as it falls, just like magic. Take 2 sticks of unsalted butter. Make sure they're at room temperature. This will make mixing a breeze, dear. Next, we'll need 4 large eggs. Make sure they're at room temperature. It helps everything blend together beautifully. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. This adds a wonderful, rich flavour to our cake. Now, add 2½ teaspoons of baking powder and just a ½ teaspoon of salt. These will help our cake rise nice and fluffy. And lastly, 1 cup of whole milk. Make sure it's at room temperature, just like the eggs, so everything mixes together smoothly. Start by creaming the butter and sugar together. Use a hand mixer and blend for about 3 to 4 minutes until it becomes light and fluffy. See how it starts to look like a soft cloud? Now, add your eggs one at a time, mixing well after each. Each egg makes the batter richer and creamier. Patience, my dears, is key here. Slowly add in the flour mixture. Sift it in to keep it light and mix on low speed until it's just combined. We don't want to overmix, just enough to bring everything together. Add in your milk and vanilla extract now and keep mixing until the batter is smooth and glossy. Look at that shine. Absolutely beautiful. Pour the batter evenly into 2 9-inch cake pans. Make sure to grease them well and line them with parchment paper so nothing sticks. Smooth the top with a spatula, and if you're feeling playful, add a little swirl in the middle, just for fun. Place the pans in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know it's ready when a toothpick comes out clean, just like a little test of perfection. For our icing drizzle, start with a cup of powdered sugar, soft and powdery, just perfect. Add in 2 tablespoons of milk, slowly mixing it in until you have a nice thick consistency. And a dash of vanilla extract, just ½ teaspoon, to give it that extra touch of flavour. Drizzle the icing over the top of the cake, letting it flow down the sides for an elegant finish. It's all in the details, my dears. And there you have it, a beautiful, fluffy cake, perfect for any occasion. Just look at that texture, those colours. It's simply wonderful. Cut yourself a generous slice. You've earned it. Look at how soft and fluffy it is. Just perfect. Take a bite and enjoy every moment. There's nothing quite like a homemade cake made with love.